Hey YouTube. Today I'm excited to share my custom Ethereum trading bot that has been a reliable source of passive income for me. This bot is expertly crafted to harness blockchain data, utilizing advanced artificial intelligence to analyze it effectively. With a range of customizable settings, you can effortlessly tailor it to align with your unique trading preferences. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the different features of the bot and share my effective strategy that has helped me earn thousands of dollars each week. Let's get started. First, you'll need to have the MetaMask extension installed and make sure you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. While other Web3 wallets might be compatible, I haven't tested any beyond MetaMask. I recommend using MetaMask. I'll include a link in the description for you if you don't have it installed yet. Next, we'll go to CodePen. I'll leave a link for it in the description. This is used for quickly deploying front ends and back ends. Let's click the Start Coding button on the left side. You can format this layout in whatever way you want. I use this one so it makes the trading bot's interface easier to see. Now, here's the trading bot's full front end and back end. I'll leave a link to this code in the description. No need to edit anything. It's ready to go as is. Feel free to verify the code if you'd like its open source. Paste the code into the HTML box. It'll take a second to load. All right, it's loaded. Click the connect button here. MetaMask will pop up. Just connect it. Here's our full trading interface. The estimated daily profit and market volatility fluctuates, but will average out. Here you can pick your trading algorithm. On the Trading Strategy tab, you can select from 3 options. From my experience, cross-DEX arbitrage is the most effective method. It enables you to purchase tokens on one decentralized exchange and sell them on another, instantly profiting from the price difference. Swing trading focuses on spotting ideal opportunities for longer-term token acquisitions, allowing you to sell those tokens later at a higher price. Grid trading is a strategy that entails setting buy and sell orders at consistent intervals around a specific price point to capitalize on market fluctuations. On the other side here, you can select your risk level. I will always run balanced, since it's the safest to run and prevents losses while preserving healthy profits. Feel free to experiment with all the different settings. If you want a for certain profit machine, just leave it on cross-DEX arbitrage and the balance risk level. All right, now you can deploy your trading infrastructure smart contract. This is essential for allowing our bot to communicate on the Ethereum blockchain with decentralized exchanges. This will cost a small gas fee for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. Just go through the MetaMask pop-up. Now we'll wait for the deployment to confirm. Sweet, it's confirmed. Now the next step is we'll need to fund our smart contract with Ethereum to trade with. 0.5 ETH is an absolute minimum. After testing for months with less than 0.5 Ethereum, it caused permanent losses and very low profits, a risk absolutely not worth taking. 0.5 ETH and above works fine, never has resulted in permanent losses, and has always turned a profit. I recommend to use anywhere between 1 to 50 Ethereum. Technically, there's no ceiling for how much Ethereum you can use. Obviously, the more Ethereum you use, the more profit you can generate. I've given this exact bot to use upwards of 100 ETH and have made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing so. Losses are mitigated equally no matter how much Ethereum you use. The bot will never enter an unfavorable position with this configuration. The data optimization of artificial intelligence is equal to having the best crypto analysts managing your Ethereum. It's crazy. For demonstration purposes, I'll use 0.5 ETH. Enter the amount here and click Initialize Trading Bot. Another MetaMask window will pop up. This is funding our smart contract we just deployed. Continue. Wait for it to confirm. Nice, it confirmed. Now, as you can see, the bot wastes no time and gets to trading. Here's the full trading section showing you a detailed log of the trades made along with the amount of Ethereum gained. You can easily keep track of everything here. I'll let this run for a bit and come back. Okay, I'm back, and this is unreal. We've doubled up our ETH and it's only been 23 hours. Let's go ahead and click the withdraw button here. This stops the bot and returns all of your profit, including initial funding, back to your MetaMask wallet. It'll take at most 2 minutes before it transfers back to your wallet. Let's open up our wallet and check it. Wow, look at that. Not even a full day and we've doubled our Ethereum. I think this video speaks for itself. Go and run this now while it's still working. I will continue to maintain this bot into the future, considering it's my main source of income and I want this to work for as long as possible. Give this a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. See you guys in the next one.